Introduce it. What is it? What is it?
Okay, this guy is called Knifeclaw. His hands are made out of knives. It's radioactive monster that was gone wrong. Radioactive test that went wrong. The guy dropped a knife in radioactive, then he fell on accident.
And he became that?
Yes. So his feet came in claws. So now he's called Dark Panther.
Okay. Anything else?
Now he's a hero.
He's a hero?
He shreds bad guys into pieces. Oh shoot!
What happened?
His head fell off.
Uh-oh. Does that mean he's broken or dead?
No, I can fix it.
Oh, okay, you're gonna fix it?
The claws and fingers are made out of these.
Ah.
Made out of cones.
So they're his claws and his what?
Toes.
I see. Anything else you have to say about him?
His wife and his mom were killed by the army. They thought they were robbers, but they didn't. They spotted the wrong target.
Anything else?
So he had to get revenge. Plus he's invincible.
I see.
He can heal his back anytime
Oh, wow.
and anywhere. Even in fire, he heals.
Anything else?
Even if he gets shot by anything, even by a flamethrower, anything can take him on.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, is that all?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna stop it now.
Okay,
If that's all. Okay.